Guys, come. I get updates day, as in updates chick. Hey, I came across this on the internet, so I said let me share it. I can't laugh alone. So man, Mr. Sandy, me can't type bomb. People should come, let's laugh together. Come closer, let's laugh together. Check out what is on the screen. Have you seen it? But wait. Shit, exam they get time. Where people they write exam. Like YA, you get season for that. You understand? Common entrance, you get time. GC and others exam, you get time back. But this particular exam, you be like, see, no, they get time. This this results way come out here. You be like say, you don't get time. You be like say they come every time. As in, tell us, what do you know about that result? Because this result that is very slim like this is very wicked. It's a wicked result. Very wicked. This result produces a lot of bastard. This result makes some people to run and leave some people. What do you know about this result? Tell us your experience in the comment section. Share your experience with, don't know, say the truth and shame the devil. How many of this result do you have? This one choke. Nah, this one choke. How many of this result that you're seeing on the screen do you have? Say the truth to shame the devil. See, if you lie, if I say make thunder, there's thunder where Amadioka, they fear. See, you don't hear what I think. Wait, how many of these results where you get? How many of these results where you don't throw away? And how many of these results where you don't run? Leave the result from the teacher's hand. I don't know who they produce this result. I think I want to know. Bro, if you see this kind of updates, share updates. This update's legit.